back. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We do all kinds of fun unboxings here. And guys, don't forget we do have quite a few active giveaways going on, which will all be linked down below. So if you have not yet entered, please go ahead and do so. As you can see from the title, today we are going to be unboxing the November 2019 BULLYMAKE. So for those of you that are not familiar, I'm going to go over briefly what BULLYMAKE is. Obviously, it is a pet subscription for your doggies. It is a monthly box for power chewers. It does have free shipping. It is $39 a month. You can get it as low as $31 a month if you go ahead and prepay. Now you will get 5 to 6 items each month. You'll get 2 to 3 toys and 3 to 4 treats. I do like that you can, let them know toy preferences based on the size of your dog, and that you can let them know any allergy information as far as when it comes to treats. So now your first order will ship the next business day, which I think is fantastic. After that, it's going to ship every 30 days. I will put a link down below if you would like to order. But you guys, I have 2 pups. If you've been following me, you know Oscar and Otis, and they love when the BULLYMAKE box comes every month because it means new toys and new treats. So one thing about this too I love is all the treats are made in the USA. Made in the USA. So, and I love that they kind of tell you everything that's in them and you know exactly what you're treating your pup to. So let's see what they got for November. So when we open it, this is what we see. That's cute. It's like a dog staring into the oven at a turkey. So this goes over the toys. So we peel back the paper and then the goods are in there. So the first item is an Acorn, which is appropriate for November. This is $18. Thanksgiving season is upon us and it's getting cold outside. The squirrels are hoarding their acorns and we've got one for your pooch too. Made from tough rubber so you can throw it all around, so you can throw it around all day. Hollowed out so you can stuff it with treats, made in the USA. So I do like that. You can put a treat in there and they can roll it around and work to get it out. So they enjoy those. And then we have, and this is so cute. It's a drumstick. Okay. It's also $18. This robust nylon drumstick will make your dog feel especially grateful, especially with its delicious hickory smoke flavoring. It will last longer than your Thanksgiving dinner and even keep your dog happy through your post-meal nap. Made in the USA. Happy chewing. So I'm not going to open it because it is in a bag here. So to keep the flavor and stuff in it, as a toy though, it does have that flavor. So I won't open this until I give it to them. But here on the back, I'm just going to read what it says. It says, important directions for use. Always supervise the use of any dog toy or chew. This product is not intended to be eaten or swallowed. If you think your dog swallowed a piece, take the product away and contact your veterinarian. Inspect toys and chews before giving to your dog to make sure they are whole and intact. Check frequently, replace if worn or damaged, or if it becomes too small to chew safely. To clean, hand wash with warm soapy water and rinse well. So you do definitely want to always make sure your dog is, not eating their toys. All right, so then they love the toys, but I'll be honest, their favorite part are the snacks. So let's get in here and see what they got. So this is BULLYMAKE Drummies. Healthy, all their treats are healthy, which I do like. So they're gonna look like little drumsticks. And it's got potato, duck, turkey, tapioca starch, gelatin, natural smoke flavor. And it's talking about the protein and the fat and fiber and all of that. So they're gonna love those, that's for sure. And then we have leaf treats. They're shaped like little leaves. This has lamb, potato, tapioca starch, chickpea flour, vegetable, glycerin, gelatin. 1 treat per 10 pounds. Again, going over the protein, fat, fiber, and all of that. These are both, they said made in the USA, but these are both, let me see if the third one is too. Yep, they're all made in Texas. All right, so then their final treat is turkey berry bites. So there are those. Turkey, potato, vegetable, glycerin, tapioca, starch, cranberries. I was wondering. And then 1 treat per 10 pounds per day. The protein, the fat, and all of it, everything again. And none of these expire until October of 2021. So if you don't open it, they're gonna last. Now they don't last that long in my house. Oscar and Otis love their treats. So yeah, but I think this was cute. I think this was I love how they always find a way for every month to base the theme around any holiday or anything with that month. Like in August, they did back to school. That was perfect. Obviously last month they did Halloween. So this month, obviously they're kind of doing fall and Thanksgiving, which I think is appropriate as well. So again, we have the turkey berry bites, the leaf treats, the drummies. They got the little acorn that you can put a treat in, which is awesome. They love playing with that. And then the drumstick. And it has the hickory smoke in it, the hickory smoke flavor. So they will enjoy that. So that was the BULLYMAKE box for November 2019. Like I said, I will put a link down below if you'd like to check them out and spoil your pooch. Christmas is coming up, so you know. All right, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.